Welcome to EcoMotion's 12th annual main event. This year's theme is mobility innovation in times of disruption. It is calling on us to do something differently, to come together and think creatively and innovatively about the future.
A lot of really top-notch technology that will change the way we drive and travel in the next few years.
It's been great looking into investors, business opportunities, getting other people to know you.
EcoMotion is really a great community and I wish it will grow and grow.
The Israeli spirit of resilience has never been stronger.
We want to thank our 35 partners for making this event possible. We showed to the entire world how resilient the Israeli ecosystem is.
Israeli tech delivers no matter what.